Hi, from Melbourne, Australia, I wanted to say thank you. Thank you for all that you do in protecting not only your local community, but supporting your family, friends, and community globally. We're all in this together. Don't forget to decontaminate when you get home to protect you and your family. In fact, for some of you, you may not actually be with your family at the moment. Know that we appreciate everything that you're doing and everything that you're helping our community with. We know that some days are going to be positive and some days are going to be not so. But that's okay. You're being the best you can be in that moment, and that's what matters. Know that on the other side of the world, we're watching and we're in awe and inspired by the magnificent work that you're doing to help protect all of us in our global community, because we're all in this together. Thank you again from Melbourne, Australia, for all that you're doing to help your global community.